In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Mailchimp sign up form in Blogger. So start by logging in to your Mailchimp account, then in the left panel, click on Forms. Then next is click on this down button beside Create Pop-up Form and select Embedded Form. Now add a name for your form, then click on Continue to Builder. Now do all the necessary customization that you would like for your sign up form, then press continue. Mailchimp will then provide you the embedded form code and all you have to do is press copy code. Now in a new tab, head over to blogger.com and of course log into your account. Then go to your blog, then in the left panel, click on layout. Now here decide where you want your form to be, if it's in sidebar, sidebar bottom, footer, or anywhere that you would like. Then click on add a gadget in it. Now in the gadget list, select HTML or JavaScript. Then of course add a title so you can name it as Mailchimp sign up form. Then next in the content section, paste your Mailchimp form code. Then press save. Then next in the left panel, click on view blog. And here, preview your blog to make sure that the sign up form appears correctly. You can also test by subscribing to ensure it connects to your MailChimp audience. You can always go back to MailChimp to adjust form fields, colors, or styling, and update the HTML code in Blogger if you make changes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!